how to add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website. So here as you can see, you have to have the business plan to activate the plugins. Now that you have that, you can simply go to plugins and type in Buttonizer with the Z, of course. And then click Smart Floating Sticky Buttons and install and activate. This is the plugin that we're going to use to get the WhatsApp button from. Now if you get an error code like this one, you can just fix this by closing the entire web browser and then open it back up like I did right here. So once you're done, what you want to do is go all the way down, click Buttonizer and edit buttons. Click start using Buttonizer. So here you can choose what kind of button do you want. So for the tutorial purposes, I'm going to be using button. And here you can press WhatsApp widget. Here you can select an agent. Let's add the phone number here. Now let's edit the agent name and let's save these changes. Now let's go next. WhatsApp. The button color can be anything that you want, but since it's WhatsApp, it should be green. Now a lot of people place it down here. If someone's on a phone, he's gonna be having a hard time scrolling, so I usually just stick with here. The button name should be WhatsApp. And that's how to add a WhatsApp button in your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.